Need to use NFC for easy payment through your Samsung phone? What's up guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use NFC to pay on your Samsung phone. So let's get going. To do that, open Settings, tap Connections, scroll down, tap More Connection Settings, turn on Nearby Device Scanning. After that, go back, tap NFC and Contactless Payments. Make sure to turn it on. After that, tap Contactless Payments from the below. Then select your preferred mobile payment service. After that, follow the on-screen instructions to complete your payment. So this is how you can use NFC to pay through your Samsung phone. Hope you find this video useful. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comments box below. Thanks for watching.